guys, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to be a rock hero. So if you want to be a rock hero, you have to go on. My settings are good for me to be a rock hero. So go hide, keep this on. Don't hide it. Hide this thing and hide number pad. That's what I do. And if you want to be a rock hero too, so if you get about 60, so then we just get 60 in this 1 minute game. When you go about 60, you're a rock hero, and that's what you should be for rock hero. You should use this bit of your keyboard. But like some people don't have this bit of the keyboard, so like it's fine. But like, so let me actually play a real game, and I might get 100 or something, maybe. But I need to put my real settings on, so I have to do something quick. I'm gonna change my skin right now, cause I'm gonna be playing with someone different account, but they have the same name as me, Liam Robertson. He's a rock hero, cause yeah, he's a rock hero too. So we're gonna actually play for real in garage. Oh my. I'm not gonna get a good score. Well, I'm just gonna be trying. So let's actually show you how to be a rock hero. So how to be a rock hero? So let's say let's just play some Rockstar. Yeah. If you want to be Rockstar, you have to press the little enter button and press the numbers. Because if you don't, I'll show you how. I'll just get 60 right now. But I'm not really trying. This video was a 1. That's the tips how to be a rock hero. And if you have to follow it certainly. So when you get about 60, yeah. So do you know how if you don't have the time to like play Teach Rockstars, you have to about like play it 20 times a day. Because I play it 20 times a day. And yeah, I uploaded that video to show you how to be a rock hero. I hope you learn from that. And if you don't have the time for it, like we don't understand, if you don't have the time for it, and yeah, I hope you liked that video. Bye. And before I end the video, I'm just going to be playing one festival with no sound, so sorry. The only sound you hear is on my keyboard. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What did I get? I got 100 and something. 107 GGs. And I hope you like that video. Don't me, no, me, no, 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 me. Hope you like the video.